Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment, and this is going to require a little bit of milk, but it's not going to be too much. Okay guys, so here I have imitation vanilla flavor. And the reason I have imitation vanilla flavor is because I don't have food coloring for the milk. But what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to have food coloring and then you pour it on the milk in a certain way. But I don't have that. I don't have food coloring. So I'm going to use vanilla flavor because it's very dark and milk is very bright. So let me just get the sticks. Okay guys, so we have dish soap, and the type of dish soap I'm using is Palmolive Oxy dish soap. And the reason we need dish soap is because we're gonna dip the tip of this in soap, and then we're gonna poke this once we put this in the milk. You'll see. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our vanilla and we're gonna open it. So this is it. We're just watch how much I pour and where I pour it. Okay guys, so I decided to put it in the cap because I don't want to overfill it. But what I'm gonna do is just gonna put little drops of vanilla in the middle. Now we're gonna need most of it in the center or in one area, because when we add soap, the vanilla will move. Okay guys, so I've got the tip of the stick, and it's got soap on it. So watch closely when I touch it. As you can see, the vanilla flavor or the flavoring just completely went away. Let's try doing this again. We can't really do it because we already put soap in it. Also, fun fact, if you tap it, you'll get little milk bubbles, little milk balls. Like, they're not bubbles, they're literally little balls of milk. And they do this because the vanilla extract and the vanilla flavoring and the milk, or the soap, mixed together. The milk likes to avoid it because it creates this type of tension. And then if you tap it and you bring the milk from the bottom to the surface, the milk likes to stay on the surface. So it's like putting gallium on something, and it's really cool. Anyways guys, that was the experiment, and basically what you're gonna need is some sort of dye or dark color that doesn't sink or isn't heavily concentrated, because you're gonna need it. So basically something that's as consistent as food coloring, and that's why I used vanilla. And then you're gonna need soap, dish soap, and a type of plate that's like this. Don't want to drop that. And the plate just needs to go down a little bit so the milk doesn't fall. Okay, and then you're gonna need a toothpick for the soap. You're gonna dip the toothpick in the soap, not the whole toothpick, only about the tip right here. And then once you have this, you don't do this first. Here, I'll go by step. First, you pour the milk into the plate. Oh, you're gonna need milk also. Then you grab your food coloring or whatever, and you pour some very lightly. But usually it's easier with food coloring because it comes in little drops. This doesn't though, so you're gonna have to put a bit in the middle, and then you're gonna grab some toothpick or stick, and you're gonna dip the tip in the dish soap. Once you're done, you put the tip of the your soap covered stick into the middle of the milk, and you will see the reaction of the dye and the milk working. It's really cool to watch, and it's very cheap. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.